Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karajki Orchid School. I, Miss Ujjwala Mule. Today we are going to start a new topic, okay? But before that, students, I would like to tell you some instructions. I would like to give you some instructions. What they are? Listen carefully. Today you don't open your textbook, no need of textbook. So only what you have to do? Only you have to look at the screen. So see here, in the previous session what we had learned? Yes, we had learned about the Roman number system. So look here, look at the board. Here these 7 letters we are using for Roman numerals. Okay, to write Roman numerals we are using these 7 letters. Which letters are there? I. What is the value of I? 1. Then V stands for 5. Then value of X is 10. Value of L is 50. Value of C is 100. Value of D is 500. And the value of M is 1000. So I, V, X, L, C, D and M. With these 7 letters, we are using these 7 letters to form Roman numbers. Now see here, 1, for 1 we are using capital I, for 2 we are using double I, 3 triple I, V means 4, V stands for 5, V I 6, V double I means 7, V triple I means 8, then I X means 9, X means 10, X I means 11, X double I means 12 and X triple I means 13. Now I, V and X, with the help of these 3 letters we can form the numbers, or we can write the numbers till 13. Means with the help of I, V and X, with these 3 letters we can write the numbers till 13. 1 to 13 numbers we can write by using these 3 letters. Then also we have seen some rules, okay? Then today students, there is one surprise for you. Are you eager for that? Yes. So now today we are going to play one interactive game. So don't open your textbook, just look at the board. And see students, before starting only I will tell you, you have to read the question and you have to give me the answer. So let us start our play game. See here. See, the question is, select the greatest number among the given numbers. Now see, select the greatest number. Here some numbers are given to you. See here, 4 numbers are given to you. First number is 5503, the other is 5403, 5500, 5200. Now what you have to do? You have to select the greatest number among these given numbers. Now which one is greatest number? See here, first letter, what we have to do? How we will find out, or how we will select the greatest number? What we have to do? First we have to see the thousands place number, isn't it? Now see here, at thousands place 5 is there. See this second number, here also at thousands place 5 is there. Here also 5 is there, and here also at thousands place 5 is there. Then what to do? Then you have to go to the 100 place digit. Now see the 100 place digit in this number, at 100 place 5 is there. Okay. Then here 4 is there. Here also at 100 place 5 is there, and here 2 is there. Now so we will get 2 numbers which are greater than these 2 remaining number. Now in between these 2 numbers, which one is greater? 5503 or 5500? Yes, yes, of course, 5503 is greatest number among these 4 numbers. Now can you see where it is? Where is this number? 5503? Yes, here it is? No. See this second line? Can you see this number here? No. Then here Here also the number is not there. Then where is the number? Yes, the number is here. So just I will click on that number. If we will get the star, yes, we got the star, means our answer is correct. Now see the second question. Can you see? Yes. Read the question. What is the predecessor of 3413? Now what is mean by predecessor? Yes, predecessor means just we have to subtract 1 from the given number. Now what is our number? 3413. Now we have to write the predecessor of this number. So what we have to do? We have to minus 1, or we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So I will do here subtraction. Do the subtraction. Now tell me the answer. 3413 minus 1. What will be the answer? 3412. Now see here. Here some numbers are there. Find this number. Where it is? 3412. Yes, in the first line the number is there. No, the number is not there in the first line. Also it is not there in the second line. See this third line. Yes, the number is here. So I will click on that number and let us see our answer is correct or wrong. Yes, we got the star, means our answer is correct. Now see this third question. Read the question. Select the number that is 1 less than 4515. What is the question? Select the number that is 1 less than 4515. Now 1 less than means what we have to do? Again we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So 4515 minus 1 is equal to what? Yes, 4514. Now see, where is that number? Yes, 4515 is there. Where it is? Yes, the number is here. If we will get the star, yes, we got the star, means our answer is correct. Now go to the next question. See, the question is, what is 100 more than 2343? What is 100 more? More word is there. So what we have to do? Here we have to do the addition. How much we have to add in this number? The number is 2343. 100 more than. So we have to add 100. We will do the addition here, then we will get our answer. 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2 plus 0, nothing is there, means 0 is there. 2 plus 0, 2. So the answer is 2413. Now see students, here 2443 number is there? No. See the second line. In the second line also the number is not there. Now see this. Our answer is 2443. Here also the number is not there. Now see this last line, very carefully you have to see. Yes, our number is here. So what I will do? Just I will click on that number. Yes, we got the star. So means our answer is correct. Now see this next question. What is our question? You also read in your mind. The 4 tallest buildings in the world have the following heights. There are 2 buildings and the height of the building that given us. First height is, see these numbers carefully, 2717. Then second building, height of the second building 1971. The height of the third building 1965, and the height of the last fourth building is 2073 feet. Now here what we have to do? Arrange the buildings in ascending order. Now what is mean by ascending order again? Yes, ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from, yes, smallest to biggest, that is the ascending order of their heights, and select the third number. What we have to do? First we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, now here I will do, we will arrange these numbers in the ascending order. See in these 4 numbers, which one is the smallest number? Yes, 1965. This is the smallest number. Now this is over. Then 1971 will come. Then third one, which number will come? 2770 or 2073? Yes, of course, this will come, 2073. And the last, which number is the greatest? Yes, 2717. This is the greatest number. Now our question is, select the third number in the sequence. So this is our answer, this is our sequence. We have arranged the numbers in ascending order, and we have to select the third number of the sequence, and the number is 2073. Now students, what you have to do? You have to find out the same number here. See here, where is that number? Yes, the number is here. Okay, then just we will see our answer is correct or wrong. So I will click on this number. Yes, we got the star, means our answer is correct. Now move to the next question. I will read out the question. What is the place value of 3 in the sum of 2201 plus 1203? What is the question? We have to find out the place value of 3. Where? In the sum of 2201 plus 1203. So for that, first what we will do? We will do the addition. 2201 plus 1203. Do the addition. Sum means addition. 1 plus 3 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 2. Do the addition and tell me the answer. Yes, the answer is 4. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 3404. Now our question is, what is the place value of 3 in the sum of, means in this number we have to find out the place value of these 3. So for that I will write the same number here. Just look at the board. Now in the previous session I told you, whenever you will see the number, that time what we have to do? Here we will write its place. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. So what will be the place value of these 3? Yes, 3000. So find out our answer here. Where is the 3000? Yes, the number is here. Let us see our answer is correct or wrong. Yes, we got the star, means our answer is correct. Now see the next question. Read the question carefully. Select the number 2323. This number we have to select from these numbers. First for that we will write this in number. Okay, in figure we will write 2323. Now it is very easy to find out the same number here. Understood? Now see this number, where it is 2323 is there. Yes, the number is here. No. See the second line number. Can you see the number? Same number here? No. Then see here. Here. Yes. Our answer is here. So just click on that answer and let us see the answer is correct or wrong. Yes, very good. The answer is correct. Now move to the next question. Select the number in which the place value of 6 is 600. we have to see the place value of 6 is 600. We have to find out such a number, in which number the place value of 6 is 600. See here, the 6 number, we can see this number 6 digit here, at ones place 6 is there, means the place value of this 6 is not 600. Then what is the place value of this 6? Only 6. Why? Because it is situated at ones place. Now then move to the next. Can you see 6 anywhere? Yes, the 6 is here in this number. Now see this number, this is 1. I will just copy that number here, 4690. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to write their places at the top. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, and this is thousands place. Now see here, 6 is there, but at which position or at which place 6 is there? Yes, this is at 100 place. So what will be the place value of this 6? 600. So we got our answer. So let us check our answer. Yes, the answer is correct. Next question. The question is, select the number that is 1 less than the successor of 4335. Now which word is there? Successor. Now tell me what is meant by successor? Yes, successor is nothing but the after number, or else we can add 1 in the given number, then we will get its successor. So first we will find out the successor of this number. The number is 4335. Just we will add 1, means we will get the successor of this number. Do the addition. What will be the addition? 4336. Okay, but the question is, select the number that is 1 less than the successor. Means again what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from our answer. Why? Because the word is 1 less than. So again we will do the subtraction. 4336 minus 1, isn't it? Then what we will get? 4335. See students, it is very interesting. Our starting number is also the 4335 and the answer is also 4335. Now find out where it is. Yes, can you see? Yes, the number is here. Let us check our answer. C, the answer is correct. Now move to the next question. See, the question is, select the number that is less than 2003. Now you only tell me what we have to do here. Now see the word less than word is there. Less than means what we have to do? Yes, we have to do the subtraction. So let us do the subtraction. 2003 minus, select the number that is less than 2003, or else we can find out the number smaller than this 2003. Find out the number where it is less than 2003. Yes, see this number 2008, it is smaller or greater than this? Yes, of course this is greater than that number. 2346 is also greater. Then see this number 2201 and the number is 2003. See here also one number is there, 2002, and our number is 2003. Means which one is correct? Yes, this 2201 or 2002? Yes, of course 2002 is the correct answer because it is less than 2003. Yes? Yes students, see our all the answers are correct. So we got here one bingo. So all answers you gave me the correct answer. So clap for yourself only. Very good. Now it's time to solve a worksheet. Now here I will show you one worksheet and one by one we will solve all the questions. Can you see, students? Yes? Now this is able to see? Okay. Now see here. The first question is write the corresponding numerals. Now here they had given us the number name, and what we have to write? We have to write the number. Okay. Read out the number name 9009. See here, thousands place is there, but they had not given the 100 place and tens place. So let it be. We will write the number 9000. Yes, 9000. It is a 4-digit number. Why? Because thousands place they had given 9000. How many hundreds are there? They had not given the 100, so we will put 1 0 at 100 place. Now see at tens place which number is there? Can you see here? No. Also we will put 1 0 at tens place. Why? Because they had not given the 100 and tens. Then 9009. So this is the answer, 9009. Now see this B1, 1102. Again this is a 4-digit number. Why? Because 1000 is there. Yes. So we will write the number 1102 is there. But they had not given here tens place. So we will put 0 at tens place and 2. So this is our answer, 1102. Now move to the second question. Write the number names. Now see, students, this A question 8081. You have to write the number name of this number in your notebook afterwards. Second one is 7007. This also you have to copy in your notebook, but not now. So move to the third question. Read the question, break up the numerals. The first number is 2050. Now students, what I told you in the previous session? Yes, whenever you will see the number, that time you have to write its places on the top. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 and this is thousands place. Now we will break up the numerals. Now see how many thousands are there? Yes, see the number carefully. Here 2000s are there. So we will put here 2. We will write 2 here. 2000s. Then dash hundreds. Now how many hundreds are there? At 100 place 0 is there. So 0 hundreds we will put 0 here. Dash tens. Now see this tens place. Which number can you see? Yes, here at tens place 5 is there. So we will write 5. And dash ones. How many ones? At ones place again 0 is there. So simply we will put 0 here. 0, 1. So the answer is 2000, 0 hundreds, 5 tens and 0 ones. Now see this second question. B1. The number is 4918. Now again we will write their places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now you only see the number and tell me the answer. At thousands place which number is there? Yes, at thousands place 4 number is there. So there are 4000. So we will write here 4. Isn't it? Now see this 100 place. At 100 place which number is there? Yes, 9 is there. So here 900s will come. At 10 place can you see which number is there? Yes, 1 is there. So 1 tens and at ones place 8 is there. So we will write 8. This is our answer. Now next question. Counting in twos and write the next 4 numbers. Now what we have to do here? Yes, just we have to add 2 in the given number. So see the first number that given us 3156. What we will do, I will write here number, and then what we have to do, counting in twos means we have to add 2 in the given number. Okay, first we will add 2 in this number, 3156 plus 2. What we will get, 6 plus 2 8, 5, 1 and 3 as it is. Why? Because here 0 is there. So the next number what will come, 3158. Or else what you can do, you can count the fingers after 56. 56 plus 2, 57, 58. So we will get our answer 3158. Again add 2 more in this number, 3158. Now count the finger after 58, 59, 60. So what will come, 3160. See students, remember one thing, counting in twos means only we are going to change ones place number. We are not going to touch to the thousands place and hundred place. Okay. Now again 2 in this, add 2 in this number, 3160 plus 2. Then what we will get, 3162. Then add 2 more in this number, 3162 plus 2, 3164, isn't it? Now see the second B1 question. The number is 4448. Now add 2 in this number, 4448 plus 2. Yes, 48. After 48 count the fingers, 49, 50. So the answer is 4450. Then again add 2 in the 50, 4452 will come. Then at 1 plus 2 is there, again add 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So the answer is 4454, and the last number will come 4 plus 2. So we will write 4456. See students, can you see here, we are not going to touch to the thousands place and hundred place, because our question is what we have to do, counting in twos. Wherever the question is counting in twos, 2 number, it is a 1 digit number. So only we are going to change the ones place number. We are not going to change thousands place, hundred place and tens place number. Okay. So keep this thing in your mind. Okay. So remaining some questions are there. That remaining questions we will solve in the next session. So students, what we had learned, just we have seen some examples that the we have to write the numbers from the number name, and then also we have seen how to break up the numbers. What we have done for that, just whenever we will see the number, that time we will put their places at the top of the number, and from that we solve these questions, break up the numerals. And then we have seen the counting in twos. In this question only we have to add 2 in the given number. Okay. Some remaining questions we will solve in our next episode. Till that, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.